everyone, I'm Robin K from Robin K Crafting Designs, and will be chalking today the new June, it's called Pinwheel Transfer. It is the Club Couture monthly transfer, and I'm going to clean off this board. This is one of the boards that, it's an Aiden board, and it is a Chalk Couture board. It's a 12 by 9. And I'm going to spray it with a little water here and let it set for a minute. I am going to put you on hold, and I'm going to cut the transfer apart. Okay, now that I've let that sit for a couple of minutes and I cut my transfer up, I'm just going to use this board eraser that I sell on my website. If they come in a 2-pack like this, and you can purchase them. They're actually not that expensive, but the board eraser helps take all the chalk off. And grab this wipe here and just excess chalk. And if you're new and you've never heard of the Club Couture, it is a monthly transfer. It is a B-size transfer that you get, and it comes with 3 chalk paste, like samples. They're like this size, and you get 3 different ones. I believe with this transfer you get peony, which is a light pink. Let's see, I've got it here. Forget Me Not, and what's the other color? Oh, what I'm gonna read? Apple, candy apple. Now I'm gonna let this. I'm gonna use my fuzzing cloth. I'm going to wipe that off a little bit. It just shows that you can reuse these boards over and over again. I'm going to set this aside for a minute. I'm going to put my transfers onto fuzz, because this is the first time I'm using them. I usually kind of pull from the back and just pull straight across. You don't want to stretch them. So that's the reason you kind of fuzz them, because you don't want them to I'm just going to stick these all in here. And I also labeled the back so that I know which way, which piece goes back onto which piece. And so I'm going to be using all of these. I'm going to stick them all on here and kind of fuzz them so that they do not stick to my board. But as I was saying, the Club Couture, the monthly club is a subscription. It is a minimum of 3 months. When you sign up, you have to sign up for 3 months. It's $19.99 a month. You get with it a B-size transfer, and over here. You'll get a B-size transfer, and you will get 3 paste packets with it. If you want this particular one, you can still get it. I believe it's still available, but it is something extra. When you sign up, if you sign up between now and the end of the month, end of June, you won't get this transfer. You will get the next month's transfer, which is July's. And I am going to use bright white. Turn it up a little bit. Liberty and candy apple and fresh linen for this transfer, and I have kind of stirred them all already. But I think I want to do with this one is I want to do a little ombre, but I'm going to do it sideways. I'm going to put celebrate right here. Do it gently so I don't pull up the top of that F. Make sure there's no bubbles in there. And I feel one. And I'm going to do this one in white. So if you are interested in joining the monthly subscription to get transfer, you still probably can get this one too. It will just be an added charge. Or not an added charge, but it'll be $19.99, and I think they do charge you tax where they won't charge you, or shipping. They don't charge you shipping with the monthly subscription. And there's also what they have as a Kickstarter kit, which will have the Kickstarter strip will have the bright white in it, a container like this size, and it'll also have this frame and another frame in it, or not a frame but a surface, and it comes with a multi-tool and a small squeegee, and like I showed before, the board erasers, so and just keep using these over each month. Oh, what? Put it on there. Okay, I'm going to be using the hairdryer again, so I'm using it on a cool setting. So, and I'm going to put my pinwheels on. Let's see what's on one first. I'm going to get this one first, so I'm going to place it about right here. You can see there's got little marks right there. Those are the registration marks. And that way it'll help to match up the centerpiece. Liking the way that turns out. I'm just going to do stripes here. These pieces over here. Seems like the transfers I've been getting lately don't seem as sticky as some of them are. I just got a haul today of some new transfers and some new paste. And this blue that I'm using is Liberty, and it is an in Vogue color, and it the in Vogue colors are ones that come out with the new catalog, and when the catalog goes, usually sometimes they keep the colors, I guess, but a lot of times that color goes with it, or the colors go with it. So this one may not be in the new catalog. The new catalog comes out July 1st. So I said check out my website for the Club Couture and the club membership, and Also check out, they also have what they call chalk boxes that give you like a board and some paste and a transfer. And you kind of get a pick. There's like several different ones you get a pick. They range from $19.99 to $57.99, depending on what board you get and size transfer. But you can check those out on my website, and you can check out the membership if you decide you wanted to be a designer like me. I'm an independent designer. If you decide you wanted to be a designer like me, you can click on my website, click on join, and it will show you what the starter kit has in it. And again, it will probably change as of July 1st, so you might want to wait till then too. So I might have to blow dry. I like to do it on a cold, low setting. That way the board doesn't heat up, especially if you're going to be doing layering. You don't want the board to be hot, because then if it's too hot, like a heat gun, it can dry the paste too fast and make it like crumbly, or it could, or it heats up the board and then it makes it not really good for the transfers. It like pulls the stuff up. Okay, and I'm going to be using the center one, and this is the one I need to line up the marks with. I love these pinwheels. I can't wait. I'm going to use them on other stuff. I'm looking for summer stuff that I'm going to be using these on. So look for those in other videos. I got, like I said, I got a order that just got shipped to me today. So I've got a bunch of new transfers. I'm going to be doing, I've got an add-on for the vintage truck transfer. And so look for that one to be doing. The 4th of July one I want to be doing on that one, so that'll be coming up here. And I'll probably do on my Instagram, so check out my Instagram. You can see the items that I got. I'll be doing a video on that. Okay, now I'm going to do the sticks, and I'll leave that out of the way. We'll get the fresh linen here. And let's see. Okay, let's stick this one. And then I'm going to take some tape so I don't get it on this part. Just want it to come down to it. And I'm getting a multi-tool. Use the end of the multi-tool. You want your paste to be about the consistency of like cake batter. Seems a little thick. Add a little water, thins it up a little bit. And we'll take the tape off. this over a little bit. Spray a little bit of water on it. And my board eraser here. Just clean it up a little bit. The other side of our fuzzing cloth, we have a side that helps dry these so that you can use them again right away. So, and again, this is, like I said, a monthly transfer, so if you're interested in the next month, which would be July. Usually if you sign up by the end of the month, they won't charge you until July 5th, or the 5th of the month, and then you have to have a minimum subscription of 3 months, so that means that July, August, September would be your 3 months, and it's $19.99. There is no shipping charge, and you get the transfer and 3 colors of paste. Usually they ship it out like July 5th, at least if you're in the States here. Now that we do go to Canada, that might take a little longer. Mistakes that I need to fix up, but we just need to do the centers. And I will be done. Check it out. Check out my Facebook page. Like I said, I'll probably be showing my haul on my Instagram, so if you want to check that out. And all I have is a few little touch-ups here to do, and that's show you how easy this is to do. Just fix up these little mistakes here. It's so easy to do. I'm just putting a little water on a Q-tip and just wiping the mistakes off. It's easier to do when they're dry. I do the registration marks too. Everything. But I am very happy the way this turned out, and sometimes when you have a lot of detail, it does take a lot of concentration, but I do enjoy doing them. I want to thank everyone for coming, or for watching. Like, leave comments, and subscribe. Hit the bell so you know when I'm going to be on again, when I posted another video. Also check out my links below for more information on my website and my Instagram, Facebook pages. Thank you again for watching.